mama a goodbye note. By sundown, I left Kingston with my guitar up my coat. I hitchhiked all the way down to Memphis, got a room at the YMCA. For the next 3 weeks, I went a hunting them nights, I was looking for a place to play. Well, I thought my picket would set 'em on fire, but nobody wanted to hire a guitar man. Well, I nearly about starved to death down in Memphis. I run out of money and luck, so I bought me a ride down to Macon, Georgia on an overloaded Ford. I'm up and on down to Panama City, started picking out some of them all-night bars. I'm hoping I can make myself $1 making music on my guitar. I got the same old story, them all-night beers, you know there ain't no room around here for a guitar man. So I slept in the hobo jungle. I roamed 1,000 miles of track till I found myself in Mobile, Alabama. Had a club they called Big Jack's. A little four-piece band was jamming, so I took my guitar and I set in. I showed them what a band would sound like with the swinging of the guitar, man. Show 'em, son.